All right guys, we are back in Laurasia, which is Viera Builders' gated semi-custom luxury community here in Viera, Florida, and we have some updates that we want to share with you. Our team recently had an exclusive opportunity to meet with Viera Builders right here, which is going to position as one of their model homes to showcase what a couple of the different floor plans that they are building in Laurasia look like. One of the first things that Viera Builders talked about was the amount of water that they have put in this community. Now, they intentionally did that for a couple of reasons. First and foremost, they wanted to make Laurasia feel different than some of the similar communities such as Stonecrest and Carrington. By incorporating more bodies of water within the community, most of the homes in here will either have a water view from the rear or from the front of the home, which I think is awesome. Since this is a luxury community and really the price point entry is around $800,000 and the pricing will exceed $1 million, Viera Builders had to bring some things to this community that would elevate it. 10-foot ceilings, faux wooden beams, a power pantry, which let me just kind of stop you guys here. If you don't know what that is, think of a massive pantry, hook up for a refrigerator and a sink. They have that here. A parcel delivery spot. So it's just in a space on the property that's gonna have an external door where your UPS or FedEx, whatever driver, can drop all of your Amazon packages in. I think that's pretty cool too. They've added a mud room, which is something that you don't see a lot in Florida, but it's a super functional space. And something else that makes this community very different is they have 65 and 75 foot wide lots. And I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but Laurasia is a gated community. And if you take a look at our previous videos on Laurasia, you can see that a ton of progress has been made in this community in a relatively short time. You're starting to see the roads, you're starting to see the homes, and you're really able to get a feel of what this community is going to be like. Our team focuses on Viera, and we are Viera experts. So if you have any questions about Laurasia, any of the other communities that Viera Builders have developed, or anything else within this little bubble that we call Viera, reach out.